Welcome to Los Angeles, a city where dreams stretch as far as the eye can see. From high above, Louisiana unfolds, a mosaic of neighborhoods, boulevards, and endless possibility. The sun bathes the city in gold, igniting the energy that pulses through its streets. There, nestled in the hills, stands the Hollywood sign, a beacon of ambition and cinematic magic. Those 9 white letters are more than a landmark, they're a global symbol of hope and glamour. From this vantage, the city's vastness is clear. Mountains to the east, ocean to the west, and a patchwork of communities in between. Freeways carve through the landscape, connecting a city that never truly sleeps. LA is a place of contrasts. Lush parks beside urban sprawl, gleaming towers beside cozy neighborhoods. Nature and human creation intertwine, sometimes in harmony, sometimes in tension. This is the Los Angeles we'll explore, ever-changing, always surprising. Let's descend and discover its many layers. Our adventure in the City of Angels begins now. The city's story is waiting to be told. Let's get a closer look. We're on Hollywood Boulevard, where the world's fascination with film comes alive. The Hollywood Walk of Fame sparkles beneath your feet. Thousands of stars honoring legends of film, TV, music, and radio. Tourists snap photos tracing names they've admired for years. The TCL Chinese Theater stands nearby, its forecourt immortalizing handprints and footprints of Hollywood royalty. Place your hands where Marilyn Monroe once did, or compare your shoes to John Wayne's. The theater still hosts premieres, keeping Hollywood's golden age alive. Just beyond, the gates of Paramount, Warner Brothers, and Universal beckon. Studio tours pull back the curtain, revealing the artistry behind the movies. You'll see sound stages, backlots, and the magic of special effects. Here, the line between fantasy and reality blurs. Hollywood is more than a place. It's a living, breathing story, and you're walking right through it. Downtown Los Angeles, DTLA, is where history and innovation collide. Skyscrapers rise beside Art Deco gems, each block a journey through time. Grand Central Market buzzes with flavors from around the world, a true melting pot of LA's cultures. Neon signs, sizzling food, and a swirl of languages fill the air. The Arts District bursts with murals and creativity, while Olvera Street offers a taste of LA's Mexican roots. Walk the streets and you'll see business people, artists, and locals mingling in public plazas. Visit the Bradbury Building's iconic atrium or catch a concert at the Walt Disney Concert Hall. Downtown is LA's living history, old roots meeting bold ambition. It's a neighborhood that reinvents itself, yet never forgets its past. This is the heartbeat of the city. High atop Mount Hollywood, the Griffith Observatory offers LA's grandest view. The city sprawls below, skyscrapers, boulevards, and the distant shimmer of the Pacific. The Hollywood sign stands sentinel, visible from a new angle. On clear days, the panorama seems endless, a sea of life, light, and dreams. Inside, the observatory invites curiosity, with telescopes and exhibits that open the universe to all. As sunset paints the sky in fiery hues, city lights flicker on, transforming LA into a glittering wonderland. It's a moment of awe, a reminder of the city's scale and spirit. The observatory connects us to the cosmos above and the vibrant city below. Here, day turns to night in a spectacle you'll never forget. This is LA at its most breathtaking. The city's heart beats on, illuminated against the night. We chase the sun west to the Pacific, where LA's coastal spirit shines. Santa Monica welcomes with its iconic pier, carnival rides, and wide sandy beaches. Families, surfers, and sunseekers fill the shoreline, savoring the classic California vibe. South in Venice Beach, the scene shifts. Street performers, artists, and skaters create a living canvas of creativity. Muscle Beach and the skate park pulse with energy, while the boardwalk buzzes with eccentricity. Venice is LA's bohemian soul, gritty, vibrant, and unforgettable. North in Malibu, cliffs and coves offer tranquility and natural beauty. Zuma and El Matador beaches are pristine escapes favored by Hollywood's elite. The Pacific Coast Highway winds between mountains and sea, a drive like no other. As the sun sets, the sky ignites in color, surfers catching the last waves. The coastline glows, a perfect end to a day by the ocean. LA's beaches are more than scenery, they're a way of life. The memory lingers long after the sun dips below the horizon. Inland, we enter Beverly Hills, synonymous with luxury and style. Palm-lined streets and grand estates define this world of elegance and exclusivity. Rodeo Drive dazzles with designer boutiques and high fashion, a magnet for shoppers and dreamers alike. Even window shopping here feels cinematic. As dusk falls, we join the legendary LA freeways, a river of red and white lights connecting the city's many worlds. The daily commute is both a challenge and a spectacle, a ballet of motion and patience. Winding into the Hollywood Hills, homes perch above the city, offering privacy and breathtaking views. These canyon roads reveal a quieter, hidden side of LA. Here, the city's geography shapes its stories. Mountains, canyons, and endless possibilities. Every turn offers a new perspective. This is the LA of dreams and drama. Night falls and Los Angeles transforms into a city of light and possibility. From the hills the city glows, a vast, twinkling expanse stretching to the ocean. Freeways pulse, skyscrapers shine, and the energy is electric. On the Sunset Strip, music venues and bars come alive, echoing with the city's creative spirit. In West Hollywood and Silver Lake, nightlife thrives. Rooftop bars, cozy pubs, and endless options. LA after dark is a playground for dreamers and doers. The city never truly sleeps, its pulse only quickens. Every night is a new story, a chance to connect, create, and celebrate. Our journey ends, but LA's magic endures. There are always more stories, more adventures, more dreams to chase. Until next time, keep exploring the City of Angels.